look at this.
Someone's got some
Frozen
shitty
kill
internet.
Get ready for the next round.
He's like, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. Keep running, keep running. Hey, shut up!
YouTube channel. Swear to God.
You guys, look. Turn around.
I'll get the bomb.
Turn
No!
around. Look. Ready?
Ew! He's like a fucking retard!
No.
Oh, I have a trophy system down, so we're good, Bush. Bush, remember, I was like, I have a trophy system, you want me to throw it down? And then you're like, yes, yes, and you blew up. I'm stuck! Move!
Stop Friday number 20. E double.
Here. Here.
I'm following somebody. I'm following him. There's someone walking behind you. I'm not killing him. I'm following him.
Oh shit!
Bushy! Broke your own rule.
Right now, son.
Wow, OP pistol for the win.
Yeah! Whoa, whoa, there's nothing in his hand!
He has nothing. Why does he have nothing in his hand?
The hacker! Freaking hacker!
Glitches for days?
What the heck?
Oh, it's a glitch that happened.
He's like, what the heck happened to me?
He has nothing in his hand.
I'm gonna crap and drop my cell phone. Crap and drop my cell phone.
OP pistol. Here.
More games and more to pace. Mine's more cluttered than a hoarder's basement. I'm about to clean house, figure out how to go about selling these mind erasers. Time is wasted when I am wasted, but I keep thinking about the time and place when I get to go grind. All at the same time and avoid the shakes.
I didn't see the kill cam. What the fuck?
OP pistol. Wow. Fuck you. Coon. This isn't Mob of the Dead.
We lost!
You're so stupid!
Yo, you're so dumb.
It's gone. He's disarming you, Viper. You have a bomb on your chest. He's disarming it for you. There you go.
OP pistol.
Are you fucking kidding me?